Today I sold all my XRP after a 36% gain, and I'll show you exactly why. The crypto market is buzzing with news that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler might be stepping down, possibly as soon as today. While crypto Twitter is celebrating and XRP shot up on this speculation, I'm seeing major red flags. If you're holding XRP, you'll want to pay close attention to what comes next, because this rally might not be what it seems. Saylor, one of crypto's biggest voices, just called Gensler's potential exit incredibly bullish for digital assets. And crypto Twitter has completely lost its mind. I'm seeing wild predictions of 100x and even 1000x gains being thrown around. Look, I get the excitement. The SEC under Gensler has been tough on crypto, especially XRP. But here's what worries me. When everyone's this euphoric, betting their life savings on pure speculation, it's usually a warning sign. This isn't just about one person leaving the SEC. There's a bigger picture here that most people are missing. And that's exactly what my technical analysis revealed. Let's break down what's really driving this XRP surge. The entire rally is based on one thing: speculation about Gary Gensler leaving. That's it. No major partnership announcements, no groundbreaking technology updates, just pure sentiment. The price shot up like a rocket, gaining over 20% in just hours. But here's what most people don't understand. News-driven rallies like this rarely last. We've seen this pattern before in crypto. When prices spike purely on speculation rather than fundamentals, it usually leads to a sharp reversal. And looking at XRP's chart patterns, we're seeing some dangerous signals that suggest this rally could be running out of steam. Looking at XRP's technical setup, there are serious warning signs. First, we're seeing a clear ABC correction pattern forming. The market already dropped 21% in a single spike after hitting resistance, then bounced back up. But here's the crucial part. This isn't showing the strong, impulsive moves we want to see in a sustainable uptrend. Instead, the chart is forming what's called a converging triangle pattern. Historically, when XRP forms this pattern, it tends to break to the downside. What's even more concerning is that during the last major crypto cycle, XRP couldn't even come close to its previous all-time high from January 2018. A truly bullish market should have easily taken out that high. This weakness in the bigger picture tells me that despite all the hype, the smart money isn't convinced. And in my years of trading, these technical patterns have rarely been wrong. This morning, I made the decision to sell my entire XRP position for a 36% profit. Look, I've been holding XRP through years of losses, waiting for the right moment. And while 36% might not sound like those crazy 1,000 times gains people are dreaming about, it's a solid return based on real market analysis, not opium. Here's my thought process. When everyone's screaming moon and posting rocket emojis, smart money usually heads for the exit. I'm not saying XRP can't go higher in the short term. It might. But the risk-reward ratio has completely shifted. The technical setup, the purely speculative nature of this rally, and the extreme market euphoria all point to one thing. It's time to take profits. And I've already got my eyes on a better opportunity, which I'll share with you in a minute. I know this isn't what the XRP army wants to hear, but my analysis points to a potential 60% drop from these levels. I'm not pulling this number out of thin air. It's based on clear technical patterns we're seeing in the chart. The current price action is forming what we call a terminal pattern, where the final wave typically leads to a sharp reversal. We're already seeing early signs of momentum weakening. Think about it. Even during this massive rally on Gensler news, XRP couldn't break key resistance levels. While most people are focused on how high XRP might go, they're missing these critical warning signals. My models suggest we'll likely see a significant correction before any sustainable upward movement can begin. Let's dive deep into XRP's historical chart, and I mean deep. If you've been following XRP, you know it's been like a patient in a long-term coma, barely alive, barely moving. Back in January 2018, XRP hit its all-time high. Now, according to Elliott wave theory, which is a sophisticated way traders predict market movements, a truly bullish asset should dramatically overshoot its previous high in the next cycle. But what actually happened? Total disappointment. Instead of breaking out, XRP dropped to significantly lower lows. We've been trapped in this consolidating triangle pattern, which is basically market speak for going nowhere fast. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Our analysis suggests we're likely heading for another correction. But, and this is crucial, this might actually set up an incredible buying opportunity in the future. Now, let me share what I'm doing with the capital from my XRP sale. After careful analysis, I'm rotating a significant portion into Solana. Why? First, XOL has shown remarkable strength against Bitcoin in recent weeks, even during market downturns. We're seeing major institutional adoption, with daily active users hitting new records, and the NFT marketplace is absolutely booming. But here's the key point I didn't have time to cover in my previous Solana analysis. The technical setup is suggesting a potential breakout above $70. The risk-reward ratio at current levels is extremely attractive, especially considering the upcoming network upgrades. However, I'm not going all in at current prices. I'm planning to scale in, particularly if we see a pullback to the support level I identified in my last video. If you haven't watched my detailed Solana analysis from last week, you really need to check it out. I break down the exact price levels I'm watching and why the Fire Dancer upgrade could be an absolute game-changer for network performance. That video will give you the complete picture of why I'm so bullish on Solana right now, including the seasonal patterns that suggest strong performance heading into December. You'll find the link in the description below. Before you click away, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss my next update. I'll be sharing my exact entry points for Solana and which other altcoins I'm watching closely. Drop a comment below letting me know what you think about this rotation from XRP to SOL.